Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is active and passive voice. Now in my last two videos I already discussed about simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and simple past tense. Today I am going to discuss active and passive voice, past continuous tense and past perfect tense. Okay. Now to know active and passive voice it is very necessary that you should know tense. Okay. So I made many videos in tenses and you should watch those videos also. Okay, now let's start. In active voice, the subject of the sentence is the doer, and in passive voice, the subject of the sentence is the deceiver. Now let's start from past continuous tense. Look at this sentence. The policeman was catching the thief. Okay, now the policeman is subject over here. Was is helping verb. Catching, this is verb. Ing denotes that it is continuous tense and was denotes that it is past continuous tense. Okay, and the thief is object. Okay, now what is the rule of changing it into passive voice? Over here I have written the rule: object plus was were plus being plus third from plus agent. Clear? Now I have changed here it into passive voice. Okay. Now what is the object over here? The thief. It has become subject, the thief, and thief is singular form. Therefore the verb was is used, and as it is continuous tense, the special verb being is used. The third form of catching is caught by the policeman. Policeman is the agent over here. Clear? Next sentence. Look, she was baking a cake. Okay. Again it is past continuous tense. Look, was is there, ing is there, it's past continuous tense, and again we have to follow the same rule: object plus was were plus being plus third from plus agent. Okay, so how to change? A cake was being baked by her. Okay, a cake was being baked by her. Look, she is the subject here, and when it become agent, you have to make it heard. Okay, now look at the next sentence. The mechanic was painting the car. Again this is past continuous tense. Was and ing both are there. Okay, this is the subject, the mechanic, and the car is the object. Same rule we have to follow here. Okay, the same rule we have to follow here. And let's change: the car was being painted by the mechanic. Okay, now interrogative sentence. Look here, this is interrogative sentence. Was she baking a cake? Now how to change it? To change the interrogative sentence, or you can tell question form, in passive voice you have to write first was where, then object, after that being plus third form plus agent. So what will be the answer here? Look, you have to change it into passive voice. You have to write here was cake being baked by her. Okay, after that our next sentence is past perfect tense. Okay, the policeman had caught the thief. Okay, had third form. Okay, this tells us that it is in past perfect tense. Okay, now what is the rule to change it into passive voice? Object plus had plus been. Okay, been, B-E-E-N, been. After object had, as it is a perfect tense, you have to write B-E-E-N, been plus third form plus agent. Okay, now how to change it into passive voice? The thief had been caught by the policeman. Okay, look, the policeman is the subject over here and the thief is the object over here, and while changing into passive voice the thief will become the subject. After that had, special word been is there, then caught by the policeman. Look here, she had baked a cake. Okay, this is again past perfect tense. Again you have to follow that same rule. Okay, object plus had plus been plus third from plus agent. So the answer is a cake had been baked by her. Next sentence is the mechanic had painted the car. Again the mechanic is the subject here and car is the object here. So how to change? The car had been painted by the mechanic. Now interrogative sentences. Okay, had she baked the cake? Look, it's past perfect tense. Now what is the rule? First had plus object plus been plus third from plus agent. So what will be the answer? Had a cake been baked by her? Okay, now I am giving you few sentences. You have to change it into passive voice. Okay, just like a homework. If you will do it, you will become perfect. You have to follow the rules and do it. Okay, change the following sentences into passive voice. Look at the first sentence. She was writing a letter to her father. Now what is the object here? She was writing a letter. A letter is the object here. Okay, and it is continuous tense, past continuous. So what will be the answer? Okay, a letter was being written to her father by her. Okay, a letter was being written to her father by her. Clear? This you have to do it yourself. Okay, next, look, They had won the match. It is past perfect tense. Okay, how to change? The match had been won by them. Next, were the farmers plowing the fields? Okay, now this is in question form. So how to change? Were the fields being plowed by the farmers? They have cut all telephone wires. It is present perfect tense. Okay, all telephone wires have been cut by them. Children are flying kites. It is present continuous tense. Kites are being flown by children. John gave him a book. Look, him is the object here, so him will become he. John gave him a book. He was given a book by John because it is past simple past tense. The headmaster promised us a holiday. Us is the object here. Us will become we. We were promised a holiday by the headmaster. She told us to leave the room. Look, us is the object here. Us will become we. We were told to leave the room by her. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I will bring something new. Until then, goodbye.